Propelled in 2005 and refreshed in 2013, the Bentley Flying Spur is getting somewhat long in the tooth. Thus, the British firm has just started testing the cutting-edge model, and we have effectively gotten the main government agent shots of the up-and-coming extravagance fix. Try not to let the Panamera body trick you. This is really a Bentley donkey, and the way that Bentley is utilizing a Porsche body is in no way, shape, or form shocking. As you may review, the main Bentayga model hit the street with an Audi Q7 body. Likewise, remember the Bentley, Porsche, and Audi are for the most part under the same Volkswagen Group umbrella. In case you're still in question, our paparazzi have effectively checked the British plates with the DVLA, which uncovered that the model is to be sure enlisted as a Bentley. Liable to soften conceal late 2018 or mid-2019, the cutting-edge Flying Spur will convey significant upgrades to the nameplate. Apparently the most imporant is the MSB-F stage, which effectively made its introduction in the new Porsche Panamera. The upgrade will likewise bring forth another styling dialect, a more lavish inside, and give the car more powertrain choices. Official information is for all intents and purposes non-existent, yet I assembled every single existing talk in a theoretical audit that should keep you secured until a Bentley-bodied model appears in 2017. Ensure you stay tuned for points of interest. Well, people who buy automobiles like the shimmering gold 2017 Bentley Flying Spur V8s tested here aren't normal. When they decide to buy a Flying Spur, it's not to add a new luxury sedan to their stable, it's to add a Bentley to their stable. They're probably aware that any of those hyper-competent two-tonic sleds offers more high-tech luxo wizardry than the Flying Spur, which doesn't even come with a USB port. Indeed, they probably have one of those German cars, too. And few would ever get caught baiting an S63, M760i, or S8, each of which can hit 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds or less into a stoplight duel, so where this car's performance numbers fall relative to those may be beside the point. What does matter is that the Flying Spur delivers on its promise as a Bentley with the waf, the warmth, and the eminent gracefulness for which the brand's cars have been known for decades. Based on the previous generation Continental GT, the Flying Spur sedan has proved satisfying in that regard since first appearing in 2005, and particularly so since the second-gen model arrived for 2014 with an even prettier, sleeker body and a more powerful, 616 HP W12 engine. We were impressed upon our first drive of the lighter, cheaper Flying Spur V8, which lost exactly none of its Bentley-ness with the fitment of the Volkswagen Group's ubiquitous 4.0-liter 8-cylinder, tuned to produce a stout 500 horsepower. The Flying Spur family doubled in size when V8s and W12s models were introduced last year, raising horsepower to 521 and 626 and featuring a unique front fascia design, a rear diffuser, and black painted grills. Having already stated our preference for the Flying Spur V8's relative agility and throatier sound, we hypothesized that the V8s would be the most compelling from a driving standpoint.